My effective women, one of the most underrated life skills is calm decision making. Calm people make better life decisions, not because they are smarter, not because they have fewer problems, but because they refuse to make important life decisions while being emotionally overwhelmed. And the truth is, many of the decisions that shape our lives happen when we are stressed, tired, or under pressure, be it career decisions, financial decisions, relationship decisions. Today, I want to talk about why calm thinking matters, especially for women who are building their careers, managing responsibilities, and trying to create stable lives. Many people think decision making is about intelligence, but it is often about emotional state. When you are overwhelmed, your brain is trying to escape pressure. When you are calm, your brain can actually evaluate options. Research shows that human beings operate with two thinking systems. One system is fast, emotional, and reactive, while the other system is slower, calmer, and more analytical. Most bad decisions happen when we rely on the fast emotional system. As a nurse, one thing you will learn very quickly is that panic does not solve problems. Calm thinking does. When situation becomes very intense, the people who are trained to slow down and think clearly are the ones who make the best decisions. And that lesson applies far beyond healthcare. It applies to life. Many expensive mistakes happen when people are not calm. It could be taking that job because you feel pressured, quitting something important because you feel frustrated, or it could even be spending money unnecessarily just to cope with stress, making promises you will later regret. These decisions often feel right in the moment, but later, when emotions settle, people realize that they did not actually evaluate the situations properly. When emotions are high, people often make decisions that their future selves struggle to maintain. That is why calm decision making is a skill. It protects your future self. When you begin to approach life calmly, something interesting starts happening. You start asking better questions. Instead of asking, what will make me feel better today? You start asking, what decision will still make sense 5 years from now? That shift changes everything. You start evaluating opportunities differently. You will become less reactive, and most importantly, you will become more intentional. When your mind is calm, you'll be able to see situations more clearly and make wiser decisions. And that is something I care very deeply on this platform, helping women develop thinking skills that help protect their future self. One of the simplest habits you can build is this: do not make important decisions when you are emotionally overwhelmed. Give yourself time to think. Write those decisions down. Look at the long-term impact, and then ask yourself a few important questions. Is this decision hurting my future or protecting it? Would I still make this decision if I waited for 24 hours? Sometimes the most powerful thing to do is slow down. Calm thinking creates space for wisdom. The world often rewards speed, but wisdom usually rewards patience. The Roman emperor and philosopher Marcus Aurelius once wrote that the tranquility of the mind is the greatest asset a person can have. And the idea still holds true today. Calm people still make better decisions because they allow themselves to think clearly before reacting. And over time, those decisions shape their lives. Their finances become stronger, their career becomes stable, and their stress becomes more manageable. So, if there is one habit I encourage women to build, is this: learn how to slow down your thinking, because calm decision making today protect the future you're building tomorrow. And that is the kind of thinking this channel is all about: helping women make better life, money, and health decisions. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you in the next episode of Gigi's Effect. Bye.